applied my eye base, and I've used the MAC Prep and Prime 24-hour extended eye base all over my eyelids. Taking my LA Girl Pro Mastery eyeshadow palette, and this palette is all pink. And we're going to take the first shade called Skills and apply that to my entire crease and all over the eyelids. Next color I'm taking is called Conquer, and this is going to go in the same area where I applied Skills in my crease, and I'm using the same brush also. Just to deepen up that area so there's like a gradient effect along with Skills and Conquer. I'm taking Conquer once again, and I'm going to be using the brush that I applied Conquer and Skills, and I'm just going to soften the edges on the top. I'm taking some concealer, and I am going to carve out my crease, and this is just gonna prep me for my eyeshadow. Color along with Aces, and I'm using kind of like a concealer brush because it's a lot smaller and I have a lot more control. To darken the outer corners of my eyes, I'm using the color Maven and Dapper together, and I'm going to just deepen the outer V area. This LA Girl Shockwave Neon Lip Liner as an eyeliner, and this one is called Blade.